Hi guys, good evening, and thank you all for coming on this call. Thank you all for taking this time to come on, and welcome again. First of all, my name is Shireen Lalu, and I'm all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. First of all, I have a risk disclaimer. You only invest what you're willing to lose, and I am in no way any financial advisor. This is a platform that I and many others have gotten themselves involved with, and this is just to show you all where you all can earn from the comfort of your home. So, thank you all again and welcome. Right, so what this platform is about. So, the company name is Shao Bank, and this is looking to the future and financial independence. Okay, so Shao Bank employs more than 1,000 qualified employees to provide the highest level of customer service. Shao Bank founder is Mr. Yang Shao, our director is Mr. Chun Li On. We have all these personals involved here behind the scenes, right? And we are on LinkedIn. You can find us on YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We also have our website up and it is active. So Shell Bank is a universal technology-driven bank focused on serving customers around the world. Yeah. So what is this bank about? It is classed as a neobank. Simply put, it is a bank that provides banking services only digitally and through its website. It's a virtual bank. Simply put, it is a bank that exists entirely online. Okay, there is no infrastructure, so that
You get it?
it reduces the level
Wash
of
me, I give him it now.
transportation.
Go on your bed, I come and just now.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir. Right. So Shao Bank was formed in August 2022, as you can see. Right. Our vision is to be a bank of high reputation and have world-class customer service. The mission is to provide exceptional value to our partners and customers. Okay. We value excellence, professionalism, and efficiency development of new technology. So this bank was purposefully created to operate in any economic environment. We are also a member of the Association of Banks in Hong Kong and a member of the compulsory deposit insurance system. So we're going to take a little look at their legal framework. So we're going to go onto their website and we're going to see the legal framework here. Okay. Right. So all of these information are on their website and it's there for their there to be transparent. So underneath documentation, you're going to find the legal status of Shao Bank. They're registered in Hong Kong and also the United Kingdom. We have their legal entity identifier number in both countries. Okay. Right, so we have the certificate of incorporation, as you can see here, there. Right, we also have the certificate of insurance with Go Insurance as well. So all of this you can find it underneath the documentation on shaobank.com, right? Yeah. We are also the bank is also part of the Global Future Enterprise Group Corporation, which is an ecosystem with a history dating back to 2006, and one of the company financial partners is also from 1988. Right, so Shao Bank there, and we have their Global Enterprise Group. It consists of Shao Bank Financial Partners Limited and Go Insurance as well, together with Beijing Global Future Technology and Culture. So we have these companies here that are affiliated with Shao Bank underneath the Global Future Enterprise Group. Shao Bank is also part of it. Right? So a little of their ecosystem. Right? So we have here the Global Future Enterprise Group is a corporation with a growing successfully since 2006 and have control of all of its subsidiaries. We have the financial partners. We also have Global Future Technology and Culture. We have the insurance company, which is Go Insurance, Universal Century, the advertising company, and we have Shao Bank, a high-tech bank coordinating the entire ecosystem of this corporation. Right? So, we're going to look also of their roadmap, where we at. So we're going to find this here. Okay. So as you can see here, the roadmap, as I was mentioning earlier, we formed in August 2022. The legal framework and the legal requirements before they start operation was formed in August 22. So we have a timeline here, as you can see. Yeah. Timeline all the way down to, as you can see here. So they have plans, as you can see, and all of this can be found under their website, under the roadmap. So it's there for everyone to go through and look at it before you decide to make an investment, before you decide to join with us, right? So we have, right, their roadmap up to 2031. Okay, right. Okay, so all of that can be seen here, right? Okay, so this is all it's about. So the bank was formed in August 2022, and their roadmap takes you straight down to 2031, and they have plans there. Okay, so we're gonna look a little of their financial report. So this financial report was up to December 2022. So underneath here, you're gonna see it underneath banking. You're gonna find this here. We're gonna just open it and take a just browse through it quickly. And you all can do your own check-in afterwards on it. So the financial report for 2022, December 2023 is approaching soon. We are in here, and when the month is finished, we're going to have the report for this financial year as well. So we have here the key accomplishments that took place in 2022. All right, and recently they also had for 2023, we also had the summit that was very successful, and they launched new products, and we're going to look at that shortly. Right, so we have here the vision and mission, what the products and they offer. This is the director. As you can see here, his message to the group here, and we also have also the aspiration for 2023 as well here, right? So these are the key positions behind the scene, or who runs or who controls Shao Bank. These are the people here. As you can see, the founder is Mr. Yang Shao. That's him here. The chief bond expert. This is Mr. Rong Tang. Chief legal counsel, Mr. Kai Tang. The managing director, which is Chin Li, and the deputy director, Shu Ying Li, right? So these are the persons responsible for managing the affairs of Shao Bank together with the bonds that we will talk about shortly. And these are the persons behind the scenes as the operations for Shao Bank that makes this bank successful, right? And their leadership. So all of this, as you can see here, and they have their rewards that it was received in 2022. It was listed as one of the most promising bank in China, one of the top 20. They also was granted the SFC license, which allows them to trade in securities, and bond is a financial instrument. So it's a security that they trade in. So this is some of their accomplishments in 2022, right? So you can find all of that on their website. So it's there and for each one to go through, right? So we're gonna look what's it here. Right. So going to talk a little bit. So when you sign up, anyone who signs up on Shao Bank, they receive instantly on your account 999 tokens on your balance for free. So every sign up receive 999 tokens. It's a free sign up. You don't have to pay to join Shao Bank. You just signed up with a referral link. So it's a referral link program. It's referral based, right? So what does Shao Bank offers? We offer bonds, deposits, loans, insurance. There's a token system. There's also the advantages referral program, which is your career path you can take for Shao Bank. There's also the marketplace with cash prices that you can use your tokens there to redeem cash prices. You can also use it there to level up in the platform and take and be part of it, right? So recently, as of today, all of our bonds that was existing from yesterday go back. Those bonds are out of circulation, meaning you can no longer purchase those bonds. Okay, right? But however, those of all of us who have purchased those bonds, we will continue to receive our weekly payments up until those bonds mature, right? So whether those bonds mature in 3 years' time or in a year time, we will continue to receive our weekly dividend payments, okay? Until it reaches its maturity date. For now, these are the new bonds that will be circulating. And how do you go about making money with bonds? First of all, you open your account. You open a digital banking account. You join the website. It's free and it takes less than 5 minutes to sign up with using a referral link. Okay, so you need someone's referral link to join. Okay, so and also when you join, you receive your 999 tokens in your account. Also, you fund your account and you use the monies that when you fund your account to purchase on the bonds, right? You will receive your nominal certificate, you will receive your bond purchase agreement, which will be in your digital banking portal. And each week you will receive a steady passive income each week in your Shao card balance, and your profits is available for you to withdraw at any time, right? Okay, so first of all, this bond, which is the A1, this bond you can purchase this bond from today until the 7th, just give me that, right? So this bond is the lowest bond here, which is AA1. The cost of this bond is, for one bond is 40 HKD, right? And as you can see here, the minimum is 400 HKD, which is around 51 USDT to purchase on here. So this is just a quick calculation of your profit if you invest in 1000 HKD here. So as you can see here, so you can invest from as little as 400 HKD to 40,000 HKD in purchasing this bond, right? So and these bonds, the funds that is raised, this is going towards Beijing Global Future Technology and Culture Company. So this is the monies that they receive when you invest, it goes towards this company here, right? They're raising capital towards this company. Okay, so the terms for each of these bonds that are in circulation from today is 10 years, okay? So these bonds is 10 years maturity, and you can withdraw your profit at any point in time. You can also, your profit you would receive is every 7 days, right? So every 7 days you will receive a weekly accrual in your account, and it goes in your Shao Bank card, right? In your card balance, and you will see that there. You will see it in terms of HKD, and you will also see it in the USDT equivalent as well, right? Okay, so this is the first bond here, right? Investment from 400 HKD to 40,000, right? So the next bond, right? So the next one is the AA2. So the cost of one of this bond is 200 HKD, right? And this goes, the investment minimum is from 2,000 HKD to 100,000. So you can see here a quick view here of it, right? Just 1 second. Okay, so right, you deposit in here, it is yielding 0.55% per day. It matures in 10 years. All right, so where the previous one, which is the AH1, its maturity is 10 years and its yield per day is 0.45% per day. Right, so you're coming from as little as 51 HKD, 51 USDT, sorry, right? You can come in with that amount up to 40,000 HKD, right? So the second bond, which is AA2, this one is the 200 HKD. It is 0.55% maturity and it is maturing in 10 years time. And it is from 2000 HKD, right? And this is a quick calculation here. If you invest in 4,000 HKD, which is, this is 10 bonds. So this is around 20 bonds. If you purchase in 20 bonds, this amount here is just a weekly amount and the total for over the 10-year period, right? That you will be receiving. Okay, so thirdly, we have here the AA3. So the cost of one of this bond is 800 HKD. As all of the bonds is maturing in 10 years time and the yield is 0.65% per day. So here we have here 20,000 HKD if you are investing this amount, right? So as you can see, a quick calculation here per week, how much you would receive, the month amount, the year, and over the 10 years, this is the amount here in HKD value that you will be receiving. You don't need to wait for the 10 years time to withdraw. You can withdraw at any point in time, right? Anytime you can make your withdrawal. You can withdraw to your crypto wallet. You can also send money instantly to one account, meaning to one client on Shao Bank to another, and it goes instantly and there's no commission charge, right? So they receive their funds instantly, right? Okay. Right, so this is the AA3. So now we're going to go look at the next bond, which is the AA4. So this bond, the value for one bond is 4,000. Right, so these bonds is higher in value. So these, you can look at these, and this yielding is 0.75% per day. So these bonds here, you can use these bonds for, these are long-term investments. And you can see here, these bonds can be used for like retirement. You know, you're planning your retirement. These are the future, right? And your profit is accruing every 7 days as well. So you can see here how much you make the minimum amount here of 40,000. You can see here the amount here that you will be able to be withdrawing per week, which is 2,100, right? And this would be the 1,080,000 is the amount that you will be receiving over the 10-year period. Okay, right? So next one. All right, so the other one we have is the AA5, and this one is 8,000 HKD, and the minimum is 80,000. So the minimum to purchase on any bond is 10 bonds you have to purchase, right? Okay, so if we look in here at a quick calculation here with 80,000, HKD you're coming in with, over the 10-year period, you will be receiving 2,448,000 HKD, and your yield per day is 0.85% per day. Right? So these is bonds to capitalize on in terms of future. If you're planning, as I say, planning purposes, planning for your future, you can use these bonds to capitalize on these, right? And remember, with we have one more bond, which is the AA6, right? So this bond is the highest in terms of the yield per day, which is 0.95% per day. And this amount to come in is 400,000 HKD, right? This bond, the minimum here, which is 50,680 USDT, which is the profit over the lifetime of it, right? So we can see here you're coming in here with the minimum amount of 400,000 HKD, and you will be receiving over the 10-year period 10,368,000 HKD, right? So with this bond, as I said, all the bonds that we have been circulating from today, all these bonds are maturing in 10 years time, and it is available to purchase only from today. Okay, from today, these bonds are in circulation. Okay, and these bonds are in circulation for limited. It's a limited time that these bonds will be in circulation for. So up until the 7th of February 2024, these bonds, you can purchase it anywhere from now up until that time. Okay, so so these bonds are limited, right? So you can be sure to get a stable passive income every 7 days in your account, right? You can choose to use that profit to purchase more bonds. If you choose to, you can choose to use that profit. You can withdraw it at any time. And also you can transfer from one account, as I said, to another account instantly, and there is no commission charge. Also, there is a minimum withdrawal in terms of the cryptocurrency of 7 USDT. All right, so this is the minimum amount of the cryptocurrency that you can withdraw in terms of the USDT, right? Amount in your card, right? So one thing to note with your card, your Shao Bank card, it's a digital card. Okay, the physical card only exists in Hong Kong. All right, but the digital card is available for everyone who signs up, right? And also you can use this card has just like a credit card, have your number on it. It also has an expiry date. There is also your CVC code at the back of the card. And there is also the two-factor authenticator in your account that you can install on it to ensure that your account is more secure in case you're wondering if someone is going to go into your account, right? So you could install the two-factor authenticator to make your card more secure, right? Okay, so here. Okay, so apart from bonds, we also have deposits. So we have deposits from 1 to 10 years, and it's at 11.5% per annum, right? Just like a fixed deposit, there is a deposit that Shao Bank offers, and you can place a deposit in there. A deposit is a conservative way that you can use to preserve your capital. And also to increase your capital, you can make a deposit and withdraw your profit in your digital banking. Your profits are credited to your Shao Bank card balance monthly, and you deposit from as little as 800 HK, right? You as the investor, you are free to choose the deposit amount and the term, meaning whether it's from 1 year to 10 years. And also you can choose the interest rate. The interest rate, sorry, it remains the same, it doesn't change, right? And the bank participates on the deposit insurance, so it guarantees the safety of your investment. Okay. Apart from bonds and bonds and the deposit, we also have loans. Just as a bank has loans that they offer, we also give out loans in the forms of three types of loans. We have the mortgage loan, we have the consumer loan, and we have the business loan. Okay. So with each of these loans, the term is 1 year, and the interest rate for the mortgage loan is 9%. The consumer loan, that's for individuals. A mortgage loan, if you wanted to mortgage house, car, things like that. That's your mortgage loan. Your consumer loan, you want to take your family to a trip, anything personal, consumer loan is available for you. The interest rate is 16.5%. And there's a business loan. You have a business, you want to increase your assets, you want to purchase machinery, stuff like that. The interest rate is 14.5%, and the amount that you can take out from is from 1 million, right? So the consumer loan is from 8,000 HKD. The mortgage loan is from 200,000 HKD, right? So in order with the increase in application with the bank, what is required is that you have to have a credit rating in your account, on your Shao Bank account, and each person signs up, and the credit rating is based on your referral. So meaning that you need to refer people and into Shao Bank, and also they have to be an active customer or bondholder in order to gain access. In order for you to gain access to the loans from them, right? And the loan is also subject to that credit rating and also to your customer income as well. So in order to register for the loan, the application is there online. You fill out the form, and also within 24 hours time, they will get back to you with regarding your application, right? So we also offer insurance underneath co-insurance. So there's the insurance policy. We have the health and life insurance. We have business insurance, account insurance. So Go Insurance total fund us 518 million, and you can see more about it on their website, right? We also have the Advantageous affiliate program, where you can use this to build your career in terms of network marketing, right? So you can choose to do so or not do so, right? So when I say choose to do so, meaning you can take part in this aspect of what the bank offers, right? You can not just come in and be a bondholder, but you can use this to your advantage as well, right? You find that the bonds is working for you, and you want to refer it to your friend, your colleague in work, any persons, right? You can do so as well, right? Okay, so you can do so, and the bank will reward you, right? So you share your referral link, they sign up, and the bank rewards you. And also, when they sign up, what happens is that they need to be a customer of the bank. So not just sign up, but they need to purchase bonds in order for you to benefit, right? So you can build your career, and you can receive tokens. You can also receive cash as well. Cash meaning in your Shao Bank account, right? So you invite your friend to become a bank customer, and the bank rewards you, right? So there's a 10 level reward system. There's also the two, you can receive instantly tokens as well as the HKD value in your account. So the first level is open to all, right? And it is 7%, 3% as it goes up. So next one second here. All right, so level 1 we have here, right? So your Shao Bank card is automatically credited with 20% of your partner bond purchases over 10 levels, right? So the first level, you sign someone comes into your platform. So it comes like this. I refer X to Shao Bank. X signs up and X fund the account and X purchase on the bond. And I would receive 7% of that, right? In terms of that. I'll also receive 20% of what they purchase in terms of their cash amount, right? This 7% I will receive is in terms of their token value, right? So we have here level 2. From level 2 goes all the way up to level 10. You need to purchase on these level in order to attain the 3%, the 2.5% as it goes, 2%, and all the way up to level 10, which is 0.5%. So for level 2 is 700 token value. So you go in your marketplace and you will see this level 2 so level 10 is up for purchase and you can purchase this using your token value. You need to have tokens in order to purchase on these, right? So you're going to talk a little bit about how you receive tokens. First of all, each person who signs up will receive tokens in your account. That's the airdrop that everyone who signs up get 999 tokens in your account. So you automatically have tokens to start with. As you go along with Shao Bank, we offer promotions, we offer contests, monthly contests. We haven't had the monthly contest open as yet. See what and each contest, the reward, you participate in the contest and you would receive tokens, right? You win, you get the tokens, it goes straight into your account, and you can use that tokens to level up as the case may be, right? So this here, your T balances here is where you would find that in your digital banking. So you can use your tokens in 2 ways to level up, and you can also use your tokens to get instant cash in your account. So you go to the marketplace, same place you would find where you're leveling up, and you can use those tokens there to buy reward cases. Okay, so reward cases. Going to talk a little bit about the reward cases. So we have in our marketplace reward cases from common case to all the way up to immortal. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases that you can purchase. You can accumulate your token, and when you purchase one of these cases, instantly it is converted to, for the first case, the common case, you have to have a minimum of 1,000 token in your T balance or your account. And when you have that amount you purchase, you click on it instantly, and you would receive anywhere from 4 HKD to 40 HKD in your Shao Bank card account, right? So anywhere between 4 to 40. And this is reflected instantly in your account. And it's also converted to the USDT value as well. You would see that, right? We also have the mystical case. Sorry. The other one after the common is the rare case, which is from 100,000 token. We also have the mystical. This is from 200,000, the legendary from 500,000, and the immortal from 1 million token, right? So all these cases are there to purchase on. But one of the things to note is that after you purchase, say you make a purchase on the common case today, and you have, say for instance, you have 2,000 token in your account. You purchase today one of the case, which is the common case you purchase on, right? And automatically it will reset to 24 hours time. So in 24 hours time, you could come back and purchase again. You will have a 1,000 remaining in your account, and you come back and you purchase. And this is how you use your tokens in Shao Bank, right? So the card is automatically credited with the cash value there. Or you can leave it to accumulate, and you can see here the values from each of the case from where it takes you. So the most you can receive is the immortal case. So this is where you have 1 million token, and you can get back from anywhere from 12,000 HKD to 36,000 HKD in your account instantly, right? You just click and instant that is converted in there, right? So when I ask why should you choose Shao Bank? First of all, Shao Bank is there for innovation, right? They are very innovative and they use cutting edge technology. As you can see on their website, you can go on their website, do your own check, and you can see how they are using technology to their max, right? And they make each one of us as a customer our experience as seamless as possible. We have opportunities. They have opportunities for the well-being of the customers, their profitable investment, and also the credit line and personal business. And most of all, the accessibility. So you don't need to travel and go here, there, and everywhere to find this bank. You can sit from the comfort of your home and access this bank services anywhere in the world. As long as you have internet access anywhere in the world, you can access this bank. If there's a convenient way to purchase your bond, you can open your deposit, you can take out a loan, you can set up your business network, and all of this can be done digitally, okay? Right? So, to recap, Shao Bank is a with the bank is an easy way to earn your steady income. As you can see, all the bonds that are issued have a 10-year lifetime now, right? From now until the 7th of February 2024, all the bonds that we issue today, they will be in circulation up until the 7th of February 2024, or unless they decide to do an extension. So from now until then, you want to capitalize and you're going to see that you can use these to save for your retirement and secure a decent future, right? And with in terms of the depository amount, in terms of the deposits and the monies, the rate is fixed, it doesn't change, and you can use this to multiply your savings, right? And remember, with the bonds, you're earning your weekly payment for over 10 years. Your interest rate is fixed. So come next year, 8th of February, and you realize the bonds is no longer there up for purchase. What happens is that as long as you purchase on these bonds, the rate doesn't change. Okay, so you purchase on any of the bonds. It's gonna look back a little on the bonds. You purchase any of these bonds here, the AA1, the rate here 0.45%, the AA2, which is 0.55%, all the way up to the last bond, which is the AA6, which is 0.95%. So come next year, February the 8th, and these bonds are no longer in circulation, you will still continue to receive your 0.95% per day up until 10 years time, right? So you purchase on these bonds, you have your bond agreement, and one thing to note is that you will see in your account, there's a countdown timer, and you will see the date and the time when these bonds are coming to close or coming to maturity. You will see that in your account, right? So with Shao Bank, you can save, use these bonds, and look at it as a way to save, right? And also to capitalize on it. And you can earn with a minimal participation. You can build your business network. You can receive your bonus tokens and cash up to 20% of your partner bond purchase, right? If you choose to go that way, right? Okay, so you want to come on board with Shao Bank, you know, you want to reach out to the person who invited you on the call. You don't want to wait. And remember, one thing to know last of all is that I am nowhere responsible for any monies that you invested. You invest the monies with the Shao Bank account, and they are the ones who use the monies to finance the operations, as you can see with the global Beijing technology company, right? So they are the ones responsible for handling all your financial. Okay, so remember, you only risk what you're willing to lose, as with any crypto investment. And I want to take this time to thank each one of you for coming on the call and for being a part of it. Okay, so thank you all again. And if you have any more questions, anything, you all can join on the Saturday poll and you can feel free to ask any question. And you want to get on board, reach out to the person who invited you to the school. You don't want to wait. And thank you all again and good evening, good night. Yeah.